Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to send XRP from Bitrue to Trezor Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Bitrue and want to boost your security by moving it to a hardware wallet like Trezor, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, ensure you have your Trezor device set up and updated. Connect it to your computer and open the Trezor Suite app. Navigate to the XRP wallet section. XRP is the native token of the XRP ledger, known for its fast transactions. Once there, generate and copy your XRP receiving address. Pro tip: XRP often requires a destination tag, so note that down if it's needed for your transaction. Now, hop over to your Bitrue account. Log in securely. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for extra protection. Head to the Wallets or Assets section, select XRP from your holdings, and click on the Withdraw button. Paste the Trezor address you copied earlier into the recipient field. If XRP requires a destination tag, enter it in the designated spot to ensure your funds reach the right place. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees and the minimum limits set by Bitrue. They can vary, so check those details first. Review all the information carefully. One small typo could send your XRP to the wrong address. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to complete a security verification, like entering a code from your email or auth app. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on the transaction status. Use a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan to track your transfer. It usually takes just a few minutes, but times can vary based on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, open your Trezor Suite again and verify that the XRP has arrived in your wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully secured your assets. A quick word of caution: always start with a small test transaction if you're new to this. And never share your private keys or recovery phrases. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future together.